Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I got this ginger honey blonde look, please stay tuned.
Know that you're a keeper. No, you wouldn't leave her. I thought that you could have me. Then you moved out to Cali.
Okay, so I'm using the Cream of Nature's permanent dye hair kit in ginger blonde to do my hair. Right now what I'm doing is putting the powder inside the developer, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to put the cover back onto the bottle securely and shake it until it's completely mixed.
They couldn't handle what was left. You had me sick to my stomach, so sick I could vomit. I can never run from it. I loved it, I loved it. You had me sick to my stomach, so sick I could vomit. I can never run from it. I loved it, shit, I loved it. I died on the rocks, and you killed me softly. I was so good to you.
So now you're going to take the cream color that comes inside the kit and squeeze it into the bottle. Once that's done, you're going to shake it up again until you see the color come in.
What you wanted had me sick to my, so sick I couldn't even run from it. Thought I was what you wanted, had me sick to my, so sick I could.
That embarrassing moment when the slip underneath your dress is caught up. Okay, now you guys can see that the color is changing. I'm getting very tired and fatigued. Okay, so as you guys can see, I definitely need my roots done, and I was being very lazy with my hair and not sectioning it off, but you will see later on in the video that I did. So I had a red color in my hair, and this is the color it left me with, and I really wanted to get back to the color I had, so that's why I'm re-dyeing my hair and touching up my roots at the same time.
They couldn't handle what was left. You had me sick to my stomach, so sick I could vomit. I can never run from it. I loved it, I loved it. You had me sick to my stomach, so sick I could vomit. I can never run from it. I loved it, shit, I loved it. I died on the rocks, and you killed me softly. I was so good to you. I was so good. Does she taste me on your skin? Your kisses were mine. Couldn't even run from it. Thought I was what you wanted. Had me sick to my, so sick I couldn't even run from it. Thought I was what you wanted. Had me sick to my, so sick I could. keep her. No, you wouldn't leave her. I thought that you could have me. Then you moved out to Cali. Said you wasn't interested, but you liked the shit she did. Lit the wick that I didn't. Baby, you were my secret for so long. You took me when you left. Nobody could have handled what you left. They couldn't handle what was left. You had me sick to my stomach, so sick I could vomit. I can never run from it. I loved it, I loved it.
Okay, now that I'm done with putting it through, you can see that in the front the color is already starting to process. I wanted my hair to be brighter than it came out, but I didn't want it to be too bright. I didn't want to go over it again, so what I did was just rinse it out, and like within the next month or so, when I start to see more new growth, I'm going to go into it again. But once you're done and you see the desired look you want, you're going to wash your hair out and shampoo it with the shampoo that comes inside the kit. And once you're done shampooing, you're going to rinse it out, condition, and style your hair to however to your liking.
Couldn't even run from it. Thought I was what you wanted. Had me sick to my so sick I couldn't even run from it. Thought I was what you wanted.
Okay, so this is the next day, and the finished look, I decided to do a faux mohawk for my style. I hope you guys enjoyed. My hair still feels very soft and very alive. It does not feel like going through any harsh treatment. My curls are still popping. I don't have any type of damage or anything. This is why I'm in love with Creme Nature products, because I never have like that harsh dry feeling like what you would normally have when you dye or bleach your hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to follow me on my social media accounts, it will be linked down below. So love you guys, and don't forget to be unapologetic. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Said you wasn't interested, but you liked the shit she did.